Okay, I bought this cheap old little camera, and I've got it on my Sniper Crosman 1722 or 1322, excuse me. Uh, and this little cheap camera cost like $7, and that was with shipping. And I just rigged it up with a simple little plastic thing right now. I kind of pendangled it, but I want to get something better. But it's got a pretty good picture there for a sight picture, and it zooms in and zooms out. Of course, this isn't doing it justice. Just looking at it with your eye, it looks a lot better than on camera. That's a bird feeder I got hanging from the tree. It's got soot. Let's see if I can zoom it in a little bit more. I got a camera looking at a camera. This is kind of weird. Okay. So there. So if there was a starling, let's say, I'd be able to pick him off. Anyway, over and out.